Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to set priority notification apps in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, in your desktop, you can open your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, oops, settings, and then open it. And then in your setting page, you can click on system in your left side menu here, click on it. And then you can see there is notification here, you can click on it. And then as you can see, there is option to set priority notification, so you can just open it. And there is two option. There is option to calls and reminders and apps. So for calls and reminders, you can choose whatever you want. Maybe you want to show incoming calls and also the show reminders regardless of app use. So I am turn it on. And for the apps, this is my priority apps. And in order to add apps, you can just click this option to add apps. And then you can choose the apps you want. You can search it. Maybe you want to add some mail, or Microsoft account like this. You can add it and automatically add it to your priority notification apps. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.